this is Jason from Blue Weather. If you're not part of the Blue Weather community, like and subscribe now for updates clear across the United States and for local area as well. Blue Weather can also be found on Facebook.com. Alright, let's get right into the forecast for the weather this week. Going to be cooler down towards Texas and California, but the East Coast is still suffering from a heat wave, and during this week there'll also be some severe storms in the middle of the United States. As far as the mid-Atlantic area goes, one area of concern is this is the last 24 hours of rainfall. Some of you guys that follow me a little bit closely know that I've been talking about an area not really seeing much rain lately, and that's east of I-77 and north of Roanoke. So basically between I-77 and the I-81 corridor, and where I-64 crosses it from Virginia into West Virginia. You see right here where the black line is, that area there. And sometimes up here in this area here hasn't been seeing as much rain either. There's more chances again today, but it's not been looking real promising. This is the GSF model for the rain over the next few days expected. Same thing, you may not have to take this area literal, but you see this area right here, you can see that the amounts are way lower than over in here and over in here and down here into the mountains of North Carolina. And you'll find out if you look at the Canadian, it's very similar. You have an area right, like I said, between I-77 and I-81, and they're not seeing as much rain in those areas. So like I said, the chances are there just about every day, but not like this area through here and up through Kentucky. Our chances are better in that area. And as far as the tropic goes, there's about 3 different disturbances out there that's National Hurricane Center is watching. These 2 here, though, have a 40 to 60% chance of developing. And I know on the Pacific side, there's a Tropical Storm Douglas that may have an opportunity to affect the United States towards Hawaii, possibly towards the weekend. But this right here in this image is the Atlantic Basin. As far as severe threat goes, this is for today. Anywhere in this dark green area is a chance for some strong thunderstorms, accompanied by some high wind. Slight chance of hail, but it's more about the wind than anything else. And everything in the light green to be general thunderstorms. Elevated, stronger storms in the yellow. Now for Wednesday, most of the lower northeast and part of the mid-Atlantic's at least in the dark green. Slightly stronger on the coast of Maryland and Pennsylvania and up towards DC. That'll be where the best chance for severe weather will be for Wednesday. For your Thursday, most of the United States is in this general thunderstorms, but some stronger storms again in that same area for your Thursday. As far as tornado threat goes, only this area right there that you see in the green has a chance for a tornado today. Best chance will be right here up towards the Great Lakes. And for Wednesday, most people are not going to see a tornado, but there's a small threat here and small threat there. Look at the national forecast. These areas that you see here in the red grid, that's the best chance for some flash flooding. There's also some here just east of Richmond and up here in the Great Lake area. Those little areas, best chance to see some flash flooding. That's all I have for weather this week. Tune in every Monday or Tuesday every week, and I'll have a national and local forecast on here for you right on here on YouTube. Guys, you have a good one.